I hope all is well. So we have an O-level past paper question from the year 2020. The session was May-June. This is question number 2. We will be discussing how to form equations, how to find the perimeter, area, and how to use the upper bounds. I have the question in front of me. Let's get started. So the first part of the question says the length of a rectangle is 6 centimeter more than its width, W centimeters. The perimeter of the rectangle is 37 centimeters. Form an equation in W and solve it to find the width of the rectangle. Okay, if you draw a small rectangle over here, I can label the width to be W and the length to be W plus 6. Now the question says the perimeter of the rectangle is 37 centimeters. That means if you add all the sides up, that means you add W and then you add W plus 6 and the other W plus 6. They should all be equal to 37. Bringing all the W's together, you get 4W plus 12 equal to 37. Take the 12 on the other side, subtract it from 37, you get 25. So 4W equals 25. So W equals 6.25. That is the width of this rectangle. Okay, the next part of the question is they've given you a larger rectangle that has a shaded area in the outskirts, and almost in the middle they have an unshaded rectangle, and they've asked you to find the upper bound for the area of the shaded region. The dimensions are of course 28 and 15 for the larger rectangle and 20 and 8 for the smaller rectangle. In order to find the area, the upper bound area of the larger rectangle first, including the unshaded area, you take 28.5 as the length because you're finding the upper bound, and the width as 15.5. Now when you multiply both these numbers, 28.5 and 15.5, the area that you get for the larger rectangle included the unshaded area is, you do 28.5 times 15.5 to find the area. What you get is 441.75 centimeters square. Now to find the area of the smaller rectangle, you use the lower bounds of their dimensions because we're trying to maximize the shaded area. So for the smaller rectangle, the length that you use is 19.5, and the width that you use is 7.5. Of course, to find the area, you multiply 19.5 with 7.5. Let's see what we get. 19.5 times 7.5, we get 146.25 centimeters square. To find the area of the shaded region, you subtract this from this. When you do that, let's do it on the side. 441.75 minus 146.25, okay, minus 441.75. The answer that you get is 295.5, and I believe that is your answer, 295.5. I hope what we discussed made sense. The complete working of this question is present in the description below for you to download. If you like the video, hit the subscribe button, and thank you for watching.